In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a segment in Mailchimp. Excluding a segment is a simple but powerful way to keep your emails targeted. Maybe you want to avoid sending a promotion to recent purchasers, skip internal team members, or hold back VIPs for a different message. I'll walk you through the exact place in the campaign builder where you set that up, and I'll point out a few checks so you can be confident the right people receive your email. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and heading to your dashboard. From there, open the campaigns section. This is where you'll see your drafts, scheduled messages, and previously sent campaigns. Locate the email campaign you're working on and open it. If you haven't named it yet, consider giving it a clear name so it's easier to find later, but for now, just open the campaign you want to adjust. Inside the campaign builder, look for the card that controls recipients, typically labeled To. Click into that section to edit who will receive the message. This is the control center for your audience targeting, and it's where you'll both choose your main audience and define who should be excluded. Open the Send to drop down. For this workflow, choose all email subscribers for your selected audience. Selecting all subscribers here establishes a broad base, which you'll narrow down by excluding a specific segment in the next step. Before moving on, glance at the audience name to make sure you're editing the correct list. Exclusions only work against the audience you have selected, and choosing the wrong audience can cause the segment you need to exclude to be unavailable. Now look for the Do Not Send to drop-down. This is the key setting. When you open it, you'll see Save Segments or criteria you can use to carve people out of the send. The idea is straightforward. You're telling Mailchimp, send to everyone in my audience except for subscribers who match this segment. Click into the drop-down and find the segment you want to exclude. You can scroll or type to search if the list is long. Make sure you choose the exact segment you intended. Many accounts have similarly named segments like Recent Purchasers, Engaged Last 30 Days, or Internal Test, so take a second to confirm the label. If the segment doesn't appear, it typically means it hasn't been saved in your audience yet. In that case, create and save the segment in your audience area first, then come back to the campaign builder. Once you've selected the segment to exclude, save your changes. You should now see a summary in the To section showing that the campaign is going to all subscribers with an exclusion applied. Mailchimp will usually update the estimated recipient count, so take a moment to confirm the number looks reasonable based on the size of your audience and the size of the segment you excluded. A couple of quick tips before sending. Unsubscribed, cleaned, and suppressed addresses are automatically held back by Mailchimp, so you don't need to exclude those. The exclusion you set here is specifically for active subscribers who meet your segment criteria. If this is a time-sensitive or high-stakes send, consider verifying the segment definition in your audience view to ensure it captures exactly who you think it does. When everything looks right, return to the campaign builder and send your email. If you prefer to review one more time, you can use Mailchimp's pre-send checklist to confirm content, subject line, and recipients. Then, when you're ready, click Send to launch the campaign with the exclusion in place. That's it. You've set your campaign to go to your entire audience while cleanly excluding a specific segment, keeping your message relevant and your subscribers' experience consistent.